Hey, I'm Molly Ovenden, and I'm sat here like a crazy person on my sofa Sunday afternoon with this mystery box. So, the last few days I have lost my voice a little bit, and yesterday I ran my third marathon, and yesterday is when this box arrived. So as I am sat on my sofa, I seen myself in all the strategically placed things. I'm going to open this box, which is, I believe, the first copies of my book, Closer, Spiritual Reflections for Writers and Thinkers. So I wanted to share this. So I'm going to go ahead and open this puppy up. Oh man, that's cool. There's books in here. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this. It's like a real book. Oh, cool. Look, there's me on the back. This is a real book. And it's even got my words in it. It's very exciting. Oh, I love it. So there's some blank pages, there's some pages with notes, there's some pages with extra space for writing prompts. So while you're reading, if you want to journal, take notes, like there's space for that. You could doodle, whatever, but I'm really excited about this. So it's a really nice, I'm like stroking this book. It feels almost buttery. It's a matte finish. And so it's not going to be like glossy, glaring. But here is my book, Closer, Spiritual Reflections for Writers and Thinkers. Official release date is June 30th, 2022. And I have a bunch of them in my possession now. I'm pretty pumped. So I look forward for hearing from you, and look forward to you being able to get your hands on one of these books. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Molly Ovenden.